brushes her long blonde hair, and then she'll ask me, do I look alright? And I'll say yes, you look wonderful tonight. You'll go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she'll ask me, do you feel alright? And I'll say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. And I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head, so I'll give her the car keys